today we are focusing on Standard 1. Can I get a volunteer to read Standard 1, please? So,
Gotta put my glasses on, teacher. RLKID1, analyze what a text says explicitly and draw logical inferences. Cite several pieces of textual evidence to support conclusion.
okay, so class, this is our standard, but I want you to understand that with every standard that we are learning, there's what we call a performance-based objective that is attached to our standards. All right, so I need a volunteer to read the performance-based. Let's read the performance-based objective together. We're going to start with the first one. Remember that SWBAT stands for students will be able to. Let's do it together.
Student will be able to cite several pieces of textual evidence in order to support an analysis of what the text says explicitly.
Okay, our second PBO. Students
will be able to cite several pieces of textual evidence in order to support inferences drawn from the text.
Okay, class. Now, based on our performance-based objective, who can tell me what do you think we're going to be able? What do you think we're going to have to do in this lesson today?
I think we're going to have to cite several pieces of evidence that comes from information that comes from the text in order to support an analysis. An analysis is the breakdown of information into components so we can study and or examine it. What the text says explicitly means directly states.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, and what about in our second PBO? What are we doing there?
I think we're going to continue to cite several pieces of textual evidence. Remember, facts or information that comes from the text to support an inference drawn from the text. Now, remember you telling us that an inference is a logical assumption based on an observed facts from the text and one's own knowledge and or experience.
Correct. Thank you, class. Now we're going to go ahead and move into our lesson.
Do